Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to change photo size in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to this settings bar and tap to the second from the left button, so we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. From here let's pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings, and now at the second place we have the picture size option, so let's tap here and we can pick here between the quality of the picture connected with aspect ratio. So we have three ratios, 4 and 3, 16 and 9, 1 and 1, and this is connected with different quality. Here we get access to the best possible of this camera, 48 megapixels. We can also go back here to the camera preview, tap again to this button, the second from the right, and focus on this button here, because here we can easily manage only aspect ratio of this camera. So when we change this here, also we can see the difference here in these settings, because now we are again on 1 and 1, but if you want to use 48 megapixels, this is the only way to get access to it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.